To borrow money from Brigit, start by downloading the Brigit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to link your bank account to the app, which will allow Brigit to assess your financial situation and make a lending decision. After setting up your account, Brigit will review your bank account information to determine if you are eligible for a loan. This process typically takes a few minutes and involves analyzing your income, expenses, and financial history. If approved, you will be presented with a loan offer that includes the amount you can borrow, the interest rate, and the repayment terms. To accept the loan offer, simply tap the Accept button and the funds will be deposited into your bank account. You can then use the money for any purpose, such as paying bills, covering unexpected expenses, or building up your savings. When the repayment date arrives, Brigit will automatically deduct the loan amount plus interest from your bank account. It is essential to note that Brigit charges interest on its loans, which can range from 12 to 20% APR. However, the app does not charge late fees, overdraft fees, or other hidden fees. To avoid accumulating interest and to keep your loan costs low, it is crucial to repay your loan on time. To make the most of Brigit, it is recommended to use the app responsibly and only borrow what you need. You should also make timely repayments to avoid accumulating interest and to maintain a positive credit history. Additionally, Brigit offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances, including budgeting tips, financial education, and credit monitoring. By following these steps and using Brigit responsibly, you can access the funds you need to cover unexpected expenses or achieve your financial goals. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your loan offer carefully and to reach out to Brigit's customer support team if you have any questions or concerns.